Welcome to this technical guide on the Surface Pro 7. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Surface Pro 7 won't boot up, you're not alone. This issue often arises due to a faulty battery or a corrupted operating system. If left unchecked, it can lead to further complications, causing you to lose valuable data or incurring higher repair costs. To successfully tackle this problem, you will need a few tools. Firstly, ensure you have a Torx screwdriver, a spudger tool, and a replacement battery ready. You might also want some tweezers and a magnetic mat to keep track of screws. Now, let's get started with the repair. Begin by powering off your Surface Pro 7 completely. Once it's off, use the Torx screwdriver to remove the screws found around the device's edges. Be sure to keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Next, gently insert the spudger tool into the seam between the screen and the body to carefully pry it open. Take your time here to avoid damaging the display or internal components. Once the device is open, locate the battery. It is typically situated near the bottom half of the device. Gently disconnect the battery connector by using the spudger tool to lift it away from the motherboard. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, take your replacement battery and connect it to the motherboard by pressing it into the connector until it clicks securely in place. Make sure that it sits flat and is properly aligned. After that, it's time to close up your device. Carefully align the screen back onto the body and press down firmly to ensure it seals correctly. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier, tightening them just enough to hold everything securely but not too tight to risk cracking the glass. Finally, power on your Surface Pro 7 to check if it boots up correctly. If it does, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the battery. To prevent this issue from reoccurring, ensure that you regularly update your device's software and avoid letting the battery drain completely too often. Keeping your device charged can prolong its lifespan and functionality. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.